Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you're new here, welcome. I'm Cheryl, and today in the kitchen, we are gonna make a sweet potato and ham soup. It's a rainy, yucky day here in Oregon today, so why not? I think it'd be awesome. I have some leftover sweet potatoes I need to use up, some other odds and ends, and I have a couple little cheats that you use, which I call cheats, so I don't have to peel an onion and dice it up and get all teary-eyed and, you know. Well, anyway, it's a one little cheat that you could get, and I found it in the grocery store in the frozen vegetable section. It has green peppers, celery, onions, and I believe some carrots. If not, then you just won't have carrots in it. Because I don't have any, I am substituting the carrots that the recipe calls for green beans. I have abundance of fresh green beans that I got from the grocery store, and I'm going to use those. And the ham I bought was already pre-diced. It comes like in a little 16-ounce package. So we're going to use it also. We're going to have some white cheddar cheese in it, or you can use yellow if you prefer that. And I'm using 2 quarts of my ham stock that we've canned. And you could use chicken, you could use vegetable, whatever you see fit. Whatever you have on hand, you could use it. You could use water if that's all you have. And just season it very well. And there's Cinnamon. She's always photo bombing or video bombing my videos here lately. She loves hanging out with me in the kitchen, and she has her little cute little sweater on. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this, and I'll take you over to the workstation. Okay, guys, my possible cooker is almost ready. I'm melting about 4 tablespoons of butter, and this is the cheat I was talking about. It has celery, onion, red bell peppers, green bell peppers, and parsley. So we're gonna pour this in, and we're gonna start sauteing it and add some salt and pepper. I like keeping these little guys on hand. I came across them on accident one day shopping, so that's what I use a lot here lately. So we're going to saute up these vegetables. This is going to take a little bit because, as you can see, they're still a little frozen. I took them out a little bit before I started making the video. So we're going to get this all going. And we're going to add a little bit of salt. And we're going to add a little bit of pepper. And I have a little bit of it was like a half of a poblano pepper. I'm just going to put that in so I don't lose it. And we'll get this all sauteed up. Okay, guys, next, I'm going to add in some corn. And this is maybe, I want to say about 6 ounces of corn. Oh, it was just the rest of this little bag. Just trying to use up things that I have. And add that all in. And I have some fresh green beans that I'm adding. And I'm going to add some garlic in. A couple cloves worth. Well, this only got a little bit left in this jar. Well, we'll just save it for another recipe. Just a little bit. I think that'll be plenty. Add this all in. Okay guys, next I'm going to put in a 1/4 cup of flour. And this is going to help thicken up the soup later on. Okay, next we're going to put in our broth. And I'm putting in 2 quarts. And this is the fat cap that was in there, which is fine. And we'll get this simmering again. And I will bring you back. I'm preparing my sweet potatoes. I'm going to do 3. So, I mean, you could do a cheat here also with the sweet potatoes. I know some grocery store sells little bags of pre-chopped sweet potatoes in the frozen section. So that would go good in here. Today I don't have any. But I'm going to get these all chopped up. And I'll bring you right back. Okay guys. We're going to add our sweet potatoes. And now this is 3 sweet potatoes that I chopped up. And try to get them as uniform as you can. I know it's kind of hard. They're a hard potato to cut up. And I'm going to add some of my chives, dried chives. And some parsley. Even though the seasoning vegetables that I did first thing. The little packet had some parsley in it, and I'm just adding a little bit more. Why not, right? All right, we're going to bring this to a boil, and we're going to let the potatoes cook until they get a little soft, and then we're going to add our ham, milk, or heavy cream, whatever you prefer, and in our 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Okay, so, okay guys, I'm going to put my ham in. Well, if I can open up the package. And just break up this ham. One thing about this, you go in stages, make this. If you made it on the stove, probably would be quicker, but I'm just doing it in my possible cooker. And I put it on the saute function first, and then I put it on braise to bring it up to almost a boil. And the potatoes are almost done. So I'm going to drop it down to a slow cook, and then I'll bring you back when we add the cheese and the milk, and we'll let it simmer for about another 20 minutes or so to thicken up a little bit. Okay? Okay, guys. The next steps is 2 cups of milk, and 2 cups of shredded cheese. And I'm using a white cheddar. And you can use whatever cheese you like. And we're going to mix this in. And we're going to let it simmer for a little bit until the cheese is all melty. It smells delicious. And then we'll serve it up. Okay, let that get all incorporated and get all nice and warm and toasty, and I'll bring you back. Okay guys, the soup is ready. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Look at that. Sure, I get some green beans in here. Isn't that gorgeous? It's just wild. Let me give you guys a taste. Oh, smells amazing. This is good. The sweetness of the sweet potato comes through. And then you get the savory taste of the ham and the vegetables and the cheesiness of the cheese. It's just perfect. It's really good, guys. You have to make this. So leave down in the comments if you made this and what tweaks that you did to this. This is just amazing. So guys, I don't say it often enough, but like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. But yes, this is a thumbs up. This is a keeper. It's perfect for a fall dinner or even lunch. It's perfect. Anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Love you guys. Bye for now.